What's going on, guys? Nick here with Ranch Armor, actually shooting from our showroom today because we got to get this install guide done. This is on our brand new 2026 HD11 Canon bed extension. Let's get right to the hardware. All right, guys, go over the hardware. Of course, your favorite impact. We're using Milwaukee. Use what you want. 3/8-bit. We're going to use a 1/4-inch socket with a T25, deep 10 mil, a shallow half, and an open half wrench. Here's your brackets that are come with your hardware kit. It'll come in a baggie like this. Maybe it'll say Ranch Armor, maybe it'll be red, but you are gonna get your hardware kit, everything included there. Let's get started.
Okay, so first thing on your bed, you're gonna have these two latch points that you're gonna remove and then put back on. So it's just gonna take your 10 mils. So you're gonna take them off. There's one. There's the other one. And these are... Damn.
That one was in tight.
Yeah, it was. Okay, so your brackets are directional. As you can see, that horn is the outer profile of this plastic piece coming from Can-Am, and they will just go in there like this and smooth install into here.
How tight?
So you want to get a little firm in the beginning, but you don't want to tighten it all the way down. There's always some adjustment you need to do on the apps end. Okay, after you have your side mounts on, you're going to take off this T25 right here in the bed, and you are going to replace it with our hardware coming in our hardware kit. Okay, so now you're going to take your bed extension, you're going to plop it on here. There will be a little bit of flex that it will need to sit in the proper location, just like that. And your one tab here is going to take hardware here. Okay, once you have your bed extension up here, I always do the outer bolts first. So it's going to take a little bit of tweaking in this basket, right? So you're going to put your bolt through, nut your back, and then you will go to the other side and do the exact same. Okay, so after you have your side bolts in, you're going to go ahead and do this middle one. This is going to be a 10 mil. So as soon as you put it in there, you're going to go ahead and tighten it, and that will suck your bed extension to your bed, just like that. Okay, once you have your center mount bolted down, you can go ahead and tighten these sides. Right?
All right, guys, bed extensions installed, very simple. Should take you 5-10 minutes, very minimal time. Again, it is a direct factory bolt-on, as you guys saw. 60% increase in space, guys. Has the drain holes. I'm 230 pounds, holds me right at the edge, no problem. This is a must, especially if you're getting our Hyrax, guys, or you just want more space for your bed. Thanks for watching.